Hello, welcome to the Early Learning Coalition of Broward County's video tutorial on how to sign the school readiness, parental rights and responsibilities, terms and conditions, and parental payment certificate. This step in the child care authorization process is required at initial authorization, redetermination, and anytime there's an update to the child's eligibility or enrollment. It is very important that these documents are signed, as this enables the provider to view your child on their attendance sheet for reimbursement. Let's begin. Please access your OEL Family Portal account by going to familyservices.floridaearlylearning.com. Once on the page, scroll to the bottom and click on Already Have a Family Portal Account? Sign in here. In the Returning User section, enter your parent username and password and click on Log On. Once you are logged in, click on Continue to bypass the VPK pop-up and scroll down to the School Readiness Funding section. The School Readiness Funding section will list your children who are included in your eligibility verification, their eligibility status, and their enrollment status. In order to sign the parental rights and responsibilities, terms and conditions, and parental payment certificate, your child's enrollment status must be listed as pending family acceptance. Please note that if you have more than one child listed as pending family acceptance, the following steps must be completed for each child. Once those children are identified, click on the blue sign button to the right of their name. This will lead you to the parental rights and responsibilities, terms and conditions. The information on this page is extremely important and must be read in its entirety by the parent. Once each section is read and understood, please click on the red box to the right of each statement. This will generate a check mark that indicates that the parent has read and understands each of the statements. Each section will collapse as they are checked. Once each section is agreed to, the authorization for child developmental screening will pop up. Please read the pop-up in its entirety, as it will explain the purpose and importance of developmental screenings. Once complete, you will click on Yes if you authorize the completion of the developmental screening, or No if you do not. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be choosing Yes to authorize the developmental screening. Next, the authorization for child assessment will pop up. Please read the pop-up in its entirety, as it will explain the purpose and importance of child assessments. Once complete, you will click on Yes if you authorize the completion of a child assessment, or No if you do not. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be choosing Yes to authorize the child assessment. To move forward, please click on Accept to accept the parental rights and responsibilities, terms and conditions. The next page will bring you to the parental payment certificate. The payment certificate will reflect all information pertaining to the parent's school readiness eligibility. In order to sign the certificate, scroll to the bottom and click on By Electronic Signature for the signature of the parent. A pop-up will generate an order for the parent to enter their name. Please note the name must be entered exactly as it is on the certificate for the system to accept it. Once entered, click Yes to confirm your electronic signature. The signature and date will populate on the certificate. Click Submit to submit the certificate. A disclaimer will then pop up to inform you that you are about to accept the conditions of enrollment and payment responsibility. Click on Accept to accept the current enrollment. Congratulations! You have successfully accepted and signed your parental rights and responsibilities, terms and conditions, and parental payment certificate. The parental payment certificate is now available electronically and for you to print out. If you encounter any issues or have any further questions, please reach out to ELC Customer Service at 954-377-2188. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial.